In the year 37 BCE, Herod the Great, Roman's client king of Judea, and the greatest builder in Jewish history, initiated a huge renovation project for more magnificent Second Temple. Reconstruction began, with a massive expansion of the Temple Mount by flattening the mountain peak, and building 4 support walls around it. Today, millions of visitors come to the Western Wall every year. By visiting this site, people from all over the world pay their respect to the Jewish people's magnificent history. Thousands of bar and bat mitzvah special event, with their families at the wall.
Мне бы только не сбиться с пути и свою дорогу к храму найти.
When we say next year in Jerusalem, is an expression that means that all Jews should actually be in Israel, in Jerusalem. The Western Wall is the western support wall, built during this widening of the Temple Mount Plaza. All action in ancient time, the Romans, Egyptians, Jews, Greeks were not in the temple. It was outside. In 2005, the Western Wall Heritage Foundation initiated a major renovation effort. To renovate and restore, the area within Wilson's Arch will increase access for visitors and prayers.
Весь Израиль я пешком обойду, но свою дорогу к храму найду. Положу записку между камней и подумаю о жизни своей. Там пустины плача, звезды совсем низко.
Sodders, serving in the Israel Defense Forces, swear loyalty to the nation and homeland at the Western Wall. Message to God, on piece of paper, in the cracks of the wall. At the Western Wall, men and women pray separately. Men can pray, sing, or read from the Torah out loud, and wear tefillin, prayer shawls, while women remain silent. Feminine curiosity. What men doing there? A lot of young people come to the wall. It's a pleasure, hug with young, but brave women soldiers. During the Six-Day War in 1967, paratroopers broke through the Lion Gate to the Old City. The Western Wall and Temple Mount were liberated. and Jewish people were again able to come to the Western Wall to pray. The flag that flies over the Kotel is Israel flag. Our holy places, the Temple Mount, will remain under Israeli sovereignty forever. Benjamin Netanyahu.